Igbo Igbo Mamado Ekeremono Nona Ihomwanyu Geta. Welcome back to my channel, guys. My name is Edith Ngobu. And on this channel we talk about everything Igbo. Igbo grammar, Igbo culture, Igbo literature. Everything Igbo. So today we are continuing with names and naming in Igbo. I hope you've watched my last video. In my last video I talked about Igbo names reflecting the Igbo people's belief in the Almighty God. If you've not seen that video, I'll put the link down below. Go and watch it. Alright, today we are continuing with another factor that influences the name an Igbo man gives to his child. Today we are looking at Igbo people's reverence of their market days. So Igbo people portray their market days through the name they give to their children. Although this is no longer the case presently, but those days, of course, you still hear these names as surnames. So in Igbo we have 4 market days. 4 market days. These market days form the Igbo week. Those days, the Igbo traditional week is made up of 4 days, and it is the 4 market days. And the 4 market days are 1. Eke, number 2. Ori, number 3. Afo, number 4. Nkwo. So they give names to their children to reflect these market days, especially when that child is born on that market day. So if a male child is born on Eke market day, there is a name for him. If a female child is born on Eke market day, there is a name given to her to reflect that she was born on Eke market day. So let's look at some of the names we have. First of all, we're going to look at the male names, then we go to the female. So here we have male names to reflect that the boy was born on Eke market day. So let's look at the first one. We have Oko plus Eke. Eke is the market day. This word here, Oko, means male. It means male. So when you put it together, we have Okeke, that is male child born on Eke day. Okeke. You do not see this O here because of the vowel assimilation in Igbo. So we have Okeke without the O. We can also have Okereke. A child could be a Okereke, Okeke, Okereke. Number 3 rather, we have Nwa Eke. Nwa is child or baby. Eke is the market day. Then you have this plus this is Nweke. Remember I talked of vowel assimilation, that is why we removed the A. Nweke. The fourth name rather is Ekeuhu. It means big Eke. Maybe on the day the child was born, it was a very big Eke market day. Then we have Eke Oma, good Eke. Eke Oma, beautiful Eke. So let's go on to the next market day, Ori. This is either called Ori or Oye because of dialectal differences. So some people will say Ori and some other people will say Oye. That is, they mean the same thing, it's just dialectal differences. So we go on to the names, male names, remember, that reflect a male child born on Eke market day. Number 1, we have Oko plus Ori. Remember I said Oko means male. Oko plus Ori, you have Okore. Remember I talked of vowel assimilation. Okore or Okoye. They are the same thing, just dialectal difference. So we have Okore or Okoye. But you see this is more rampant. We have Nwa is baby or child. Ori Nwori or Nwoye. Nwori or Nwoye. Then we have Oyeka or Oyeka. Remember, they mean the same thing, just dialectal differences. You could go to one part of Igbo land and you hear this, Oyeka, and you go to another part of Igbo land, you hear Oyeka. We go to the fourth one, Oye Ocha or Oye Ocha. These are the names that a male child born on Oye Day could bear. We move on to Afo, the third market day that we have in Igbo land, Afo. So looking at Afo, we have Oko plus Afo. We have Okafo. Okafo. We do not add the O because of vowel assimilation, like I said before. The second one is Nwafo. Nwa is child or baby. Then Afo is the market day. We have Nwafo. Afoka. Afoka. Afo is greater. Afo is bigger. Afo Uku, big Afo. Big or large Afo. That is Afo Uku. Then we now go on to the fourth market day. Remember, we're still treating names for male children born on these market days. So we are going over to Nkwo market day. So for the Nkwo day, we have again Oko plus Nkwo, Oko Nkwo. Nwa. Now, remember I've been talking of vowel assimilation. Here we don't have a vowel, we don't have two vowels together, so that is why you see that the O is retained. So we have Okonkwo, Okonkwo. Nwa plus Nkwo, it gives us Nwankwo, Nwankwo. Then we have number 4, Nkwoka. Nkwo is greater. We have Okoro Nkwo. Okoro is a male. Young man would be called Okoro. Okoro Nkwo. Nkwo. A man of Nkwo or boy of Nkwo, child of Nkwo. But just know that Okoro means male. Then Nkwo means the market, fourth market day in Igbo. Did you get that? So right now, let's go to the female names. If a female child is born on these days, these are the names that a female child born on an Eke day could bear. Number 1, we have Mbo plus Eke. Mbo is female. Mbo means female. Mbo plus Eke, you have Mbweke. Now you see again the vowel assimilation. We have Mbweke. Number 2 is Ako. Eke. Ako means wealth. Eke, the market day. So Aku Eke, wealth of the market day, or market day's wealth. Then we have Eke Mma, beautiful Eke. Eke Mma, beautiful Eke. So let's go over to the female child's name given to a female child on Oye Day. Let's go over to Oye Market Day. So let's look at Oye Market Day for the female child. We have Mbo plus Ori. We have Mbori or Mboye. Remember, they mean the same thing. This and this mean the same thing, just the dialectal differences. We have Ori Amaka. Oh, sorry. Ori Amaka or Oye Amaka. Ori Amaka or Oye Amaka. Oye is beautiful. Ori is beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Ori Amaka. Can you say it? Let me hear it. Ori Amaka, say it. Alright, thank you for still being there. We go over to the next market day for the female child, Afo. For Afo, we have these names, Mbo plus Afo. You have Mbo Afo. Then B, The second one, you have Afo, Amaka. Then let's go to the last market day, Nkwo, the fourth market day in Igbo land. Nkwo, for the female, remember we're talking about the female names now. About Nkwo, we are going over to Nkwo market day. Right? These are the names we have for Nkwo, for a female child born on Nkwo market day. Number 1, Ngbo plus Nkwo, Nkwo. Number 2, Nkwo Mma, beautiful Nkwo. Number 3, Nkwo Amaka, Nkwo is so beautiful. Number 4, Nwanyi Nkwo, Nwanyi means woman, Nkwo woman, Nwanyi means woman. Nkwo is the market day, so we have Nkwo woman. So these are the names that reflect the Igbo market days. Remember that I said that in Igbo land, we have 4 market days. That is how we counted our week before the white man came and colonized us and gave us the week, 7 days week we have today. Formerly, it used to be 4 days. The 4 market days makes the traditional Igbo week. So with this, we come to the end of this video. Hope you got value. If you are still here watching, thank you. And don't forget to comment down below, subscribe, like, and share this video. Thank you so much for watching. Daalụ, biko gaa n'iru na-asụ Igbo maka na Igbo na-atọ ntị. See you in my next video. Bye.